Hi, I'm an organic farmer in Ecuador. I knew nothing about farming, let alone organic farming, decided to take it very seriously and learning everything about the microbiology of the soil, how to use no tillage, and make my own organic material. The key to organic food production is building the microorganism biomass of bacteria and fungus that grow around the root system in the upper 10 centimeters of the soil. The only reason to grow food is to provide healthy nutrients to people, yet conventional agriculture is concerned only with profits. Only organic food has the complete set of micronutrients needed for the human body to sustain a healthy and long life. Biological agriculture is based on building the soil microbiology, just like nature has done for millions of years. However, knowing the biological technology is not enough to make a real change. I wrote a book that is based on my experience on a farm and research from many university studies, agricultural, economic, and scientific books, organic institutions, and farmers' experience around the world. My conclusion is that all food must be grown organically for a sustainable quality of life. People also need to know how and why the agrochemical industry is poisoning us and destroying our environment. It's going to take all of us working together to bring an end to the destructive nature of conventional farming and create a real quality of life. I need your help to print my book to raise awareness for all Ecuadorians and bring organic agriculture here for everyone. It is published in English and Spanish online. However, the majority of people here do not have internet access readily available, and print is the best way to go. Please help us make this possible for a better world.